All right, guys, so Gramps wants this tree. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So we have to,
well, what's wrong with it, first of all?
first she's leaning pretty fucking,
It's leaning crazy.
pretty bad.
So,
You can see the angulation there. And these little two are kind of sistering with it, so we're gonna get rid of those as well.
yeah,
We're gonna do those first, and then I'm gonna play with that one.
I'm gonna get the big boy after.
Yeah.
That's under a lot of tension, I bet.
There is, and by rights, like, if it was like laying down a little bit lower where I could reach it with a saw, I make 3 notches about a couple inches apart from each other. And what that's supposed to do is supposed to relieve a little bit of stress, but I can't really reach it, so I'm still green too, so I'm gonna wing it. Cut it right there at the bottom and just keep working it.
So what happens if you get it wrong and it launches you over to Dexter?
Well, then see you over there, I guess.
What you gotta worry about too is getting it jammed.
Yeah.
Yeah, get your saw jammed.
Yeah,
could,
because
yeah.
that will happen.
Right.
Yeah, very rugged.
Okie dokie.
So I'm gonna start with those, and then I'm gonna clear this shit out a little bit so I can get there.
Yep.
And
Yeah, you gotta cut all this little stuff out of the way, right? So you can
most of it, yeah.
kind of see what's going on, get in there.
I'm gonna leave this and shit, you know, but I'm gonna get this out of the way, get this shit out of the way.
So this is actually a pretty treacherous cut, really.
It could be, yeah.
It
Could be brutal.
It could be sketchy.
The way this tree is arched and whatnot. Could be a sketchy cut. But I used to cheat when I was on the farm because I could always take my bucket and a chain and pull the tension or straighten the tree out and then drop it. But
Right.
all we got is,
Yeah, we don't have a bucket tractor.
no, we don't have nothing.
We just got our hands.
Watch out, I have a feeling it might kind of want to twist towards us, so.
All right.
Barber chair.
Da-da-da-da.
Jesus, you do know how to saw wood, don't you there, sir?
Hey, not too bad, huh?
Yeah.
And that's how we do it.
Go around that now and try to drag it?
I think you could.
All right.
This might be in the way.
Yep.
Yep. Now we're gonna hook her up and drag her out.
That was a little sketchy. I wasn't expecting it the barber chair, so, but that's, when you saw it at first put, the woodsman call it a barber chair.
Is that
which
what that
very
is?
dangerous, yeah.
It is.
It's split right down the
It
middle.
could fucking hit you.
Woo.
My heart's racing a little bit. Whew. I was like,
done,
oh,
Paul.
fuck.
Good job. All right.
So now we're going to try to tow it out of here.
All righty. We'll hook her up and haul her out.
All right, so we got this rope. We got it lassoed on the butt on that tree over there.
Yep.
And we're going to throw this loop onto the ball here. And the old man's going to feed her the corn.
Yep, the Big Bear 400. We're gonna see how she comes out.
Okay, Gramps, whenever you are ready,
Yep.
we're gonna back out of the way. Hold on.
Yeah, where you want to go? Right, right over, all the way over?
But where Uncle Mike is, so we're safe.
All right.
Okay, hold on. We're ready when you are.
All clear. Oh,
Maybe we cut it in half.
Huh?
Maybe we cut it in half.
I think so.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut it down. It's too big. All right.
Dig right here.
Very nice.
Try that.
Give it a pickle. There she goes.
Something wrong.
Something very wrong. Yeah, you hit that tree there. Hang on, let me.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
What if you bring your wheeler over here and we pull it out that way?
Yeah, I could do that.
Okay, let me unhook you.
All right. We're gonna get reset here.
Bring it back a little bit.
We'll be back.
Yep. Okay, I'll meet you over there.
Let me get out of the way so I don't get run down. All right, Grandpa, hit it.
You're good. Feed it the pickle, old man. Yeah.
Pickle time. Oh, hold on. What's it caught on?
Okay, go.
Ta-da-da-da-da. Ta-da. All right.
Yep.
Very good.
Oh, sorry.
sharp, huh?
Yeah.
Get it under there?
Yeah, that's more manageable now. Watch out.
There she goes. Oh, and there she stops.
Yeah, hold on.
Found on a tree.
Back up a little
Here's
bit.
the wild Polly.
Back up.
God, it didn't touch those corners.
Okay.
Yeah, he didn't judge that corner.
No, you're good.
As you see, he's pulling it out.
But he's
Yep.
a seasoned veteran. He has tricks up his sleeve.
Yep, just go forward. You should be good.
And the other sleeve as well, yes. Because you know,
And there he goes.
he's got two sleeves.
He does, doesn't he?
does.
He does.
Yeah.
This is better than the golf.
Yeah, back up a little. Hold on.
I don't know anybody watches golf. Like,
Okay.
watch this.
Forward.
I gotta watch 5 minutes of it to get the news. Oh, there he goes again, ladies and gentlemen. He's now halfway to Canada.
Ah,
And
Where's he going with that one?
where's he going?
there.
What's he going?
Well, he got her going and he says, I'm out of here.
He's headed to Holton.